Hello everybody, on this tutorial let's make the pink bird. This is the second version of the blue bird. So first step, I fold the paper in half horizontally. And then unfold the paper. Next, I start from this edge forward to the center crease, and I repeat the same for the opposite side. Now, I start from this edge, I forward to the center crease, and same thing for this side too. When you fold paper airplanes, make sure that both sides are even. If you have a gap, you should leave the gap even for both sides too. For an example here, you see the gap here, so I need to move this piece of paper toward the other side so that this corner and this corner are even. Next, I start from the tip here and I use the intersection of this edge here and this edge as my reference point to fold, and I put my finger here and I fold this part of the paper down. When I fold out, I use this crease, and the crease on the bottom, you can see the crease on the bottom here is my reference to fold. And next step, I will start from this edge of the paper, fold it to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. You should leave a gap. You can see the gap between this side and this side. This is really important for the next step. And now at this time, I will start from this corner. I fold straight to the intersection of this edge and this edge. And on the following step, I fold the paper in half. After you fold the paper in half, now I'm going to create the wings. I will match this corner to this corner to create the wings. And I turn the paper over, repeat the same fold for this side, match this edge to this edge. You know the paper now is really hard to fold, so when you fold, curve it down and fold slowly. And next step, unfold the wings. To make the bird fly well, we need to create these stabilizers. So instead of making a paper airplane look like a real bird, this paper airplane is a fighter or a bomber, and we call it the pink bird. Now I start from this edge and fold in to create the stabilizer. I can estimate about half an inch from this corner along this edge. And now I fold the paper in half like this, so I can fold the other side. After you finish these stabilizers, you can fold the stabilizer up to create an angle of 90 degrees to the wings, also for this side. After you finish the pink bird, make sure that the plane will fly up. You need to create the elevators. You can see how I curve the end of the wings up a bit like this. Sometimes the plane just flies straight down, and this is the best solution you can do to have the plane fly up. Make sure that you curve it up, and here you go. This is the pink bird. I hope you guys will enjoy making this paper airplane, as well as it will fly well for you. And if it does fly well for you, like the video and share with your friends, and also subscribe my channel. Finally, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.